Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Suresh Achalia. Our today's topic is CDM. CDM stands for Clinical Data Management. What is Clinical Data Management? Clinical Data Management is involved in all aspects of processing the clinical data, working with a range of computer applications, database system to support collection, cleaning and management of subjects to all trials data. So what is clinical trial data? Clinical data management is the collection, intergeneration and validation of clinical trial data. During the clinical trial, the investigator collect data on the patient's health for definitions and definite time period. This data is sent to the trial sponsor, who then analyze the pooled data using statistic analytical. So clinical trial data design, data collection, data entry, data validation, data champ, data analyzing, data responding and data probabilizations. So why CDM? CDM review and approval of new drug by regulatory agencies is dependent upon a trust that clinical trial data presented are of sufficient intergenerative to ensure confidence in result and conclusions in present by pharma company. Important to obtaining that trust is adherence to quality standard and practice. Hence, companies must ensure that all staff involved in the clinical research, they are trained and qualified to perform data management tasks. So what is key members? The key members involved in data management, so many types: project manager or data manager, database administrations and administrator, database programmer and developer, clinical data associates. So multidisciplinary terms in clinical trials. So first is a clinical investigator, second one is site coordinator, third one is trial pharmaceutics, fourth one is biostatisticians, fifth one is lab coordinator, sixth one is project manager, seventh one is clinical research manager and associates, 8 one is monitor, 9 one is ethics committees, 10 one is regulatory affairs, 11 is clinical data management, 12 is pharmacovigilance, 13 with IT or IS personnel, 14 is clinical supply, 15 is auditory compliance. So many types of. So what is the responsibilities of CDM? CDM is study and setup, CRF designs and developments with paper, database build and testing, edit check preparation or testing, study conduct. Study conduct stand for data entry, disciplinary management, data coding using MEDRA and WHO DDE dictionary, data review, SAE recognitions, data transfer. So study closeout. So SAE recognitions, quality control, data lock, electronic archiver. So database transfer. So SAE recognition, serious adverse event. Data recognitions is the compressions of the key safety data variable between clinical data management and system and sponsor PV recognition is performed to ensure the events proceedings in both systems are consistent. So database lock. The database lock for a study is done to ensure of manipulations of study data during the final analyzing. Data lock for a study Data log for the study is done once of all data management activities are complete. This includes the database logs checklist which ensure the same. Some of activities included in database log checklist are all disciplinary closed. This their DCF received and updating coding complete. So SAE recognition process complete, etc. So analysis of reporting data process review, data releasing, data extension mapping, uh, statistic report generation, e-publishing, published tables, figure and listening, creation of clinical study reports and submission. So objectives of CDM. So objectives of CDM is a vital vehicle in clinical trials to ensure the intergenuity of quality of data being transferred of trial subject to database system, that the collect data is complete to accurate so that results are correct. The trial data is completely accurate and true representations of what took place in trial. So importance of CDM has evolved from a mere data entry process to a much diverse process today. It provides data and database in a unstable format in timely manner. It ensures clean data and a ready to log database. So CDM professionals utilizing qualified individual to supervise overall conduct trial, project manager to handle and verify the data manager to conduct the statistic analyzing biostatics, to prepare the study and reports. DM role in clinical research. The data management functions provide all data collection and data validation for a clinical trial program. DM role in clinical research. Data management starts with the creation of the study protocol. At the compound level of the drug, data management ends when the submission package of Assemtec. So this is about the clinical data management. So thank you.